This salad was introduced to me by my aunt, and we call our mother's brother's wife Mami. So Mami, my beautiful Mami, she passed away in Toronto last year, but she was very fond of cooking. She used to make most delicious carrot cakes and upside down pineapple cakes, and with real rum she used to make nice what was that?
Black Forest.
Black Forest cake. Sorry, I was immersed in the taste of it. I forgot the name. So she is the one who introduced me this salad. So she likes shredding cabbage, cauliflower, any crunchy vegetables, and put them together with this little special zing. And peanuts give it an extraordinary taste with lemon juice and olive oil. So it's delicious. Exotic, unique salad that I'm pretty sure most of you have not had chance to taste it yet. I'm going to use some broccoli. I'm going to use slight amount of red bell pepper just for color, and cauliflower. Instead of bell pepper, you can always use carrots just to give some extra red color to the thing. We prepare broccoli a little bit differently. We take out the hard skins out of that. Unless you like extra fiber in your salad. But if you clean it like that, give a little vertical cut so that we can grind it up. We can rather, what is it?
Shred
it. You're right. So for shredding, you can use a hand one, which will take a long time. I like this 30-year-old old faithful Presto salad shooter. It's all rickety, all beaten up, but believe it or not, it works. So what we'll do is we'll shred all these things in this salad shooter. Oops, too big. My broccoli is stuck.
Blooper.
We had once in a Thanksgiving holiday. We had the same problem. We tried to throw some broccoli out in the garbage disposer, and the whole disposer and its things all clogged up. Then we had to call a plumber. We spent $400 to save $5 worth of Chinese food. All right, so it's clean now. Now we're gonna do cauliflowers. By the way, if you have a new Presto, it will not happen. Mine blades are all, oops. Now we're going to add some roasted, dry, blanched peanuts. So we grind those up also in our salad shooter. And now if you see what we got here, nice mixture of cauliflower, broccoli, radishes, and for our color, we'll just chop little pieces of bell pepper. They can be a little bit bigger. You don't want to try to shred bell pepper, it will become a mess. And we're going to add a nice tomato to it. Then give it a shake. Add a spoonful of salt. Of lemon juice. Again, give it a shake. We are ready for the last part. What we're going to do is we're going to take some oil. Any vegetable oil is good, but I particularly like avocado oil because it has got a very high boiling temperature. So when you cook with it, it doesn't evaporate as much. It doesn't dirty your kitchen as much, and it works out really nice. But you can use corn oil, you can use peanut oil, you can use sesame oil. Any of those oils will be just fine. Not olive oil, because olive oil has a very low boiling point. So we take 2 tablespoons full of avocado oil, and we heat it. It takes about 30 to 40 seconds to heat it to the right temperature, and I will show you a very interesting trick how to check the temperature. While it's heating up, let me show you this spice container that is a very traditional one. It exists in almost all Indian households. It is usually the most frequently used spices. They are kept in all together, so that way person cooking has access to all of them. This is turmeric, this is garam masala, this is coriander powder, this is black mustard, this is salt, and these are chili flakes. So we are going to today only going to use black mustard and chili flakes for this. We already added salt to our salad mix, and we already added lemon juice to it. So now oil and these things we are going to add now. So to do the test of whether the temperature is right, what you do is you put just 1 or 2 pieces of black mustard into the oil, and then they start look like they are getting fried, but this is still not the right temperature. The right temperature is when they actually pop. And it's a good idea to have not use too big a pot or pan, because if oil spreads too thin, then when they pop, they can pop back at you. But as long as they're immersed in the oil, they will not explode on you. See, hear the pop, pop, pop. So we add a teaspoonful of those and turn the heat off. Then we add half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Let it sizzle. Once it stops sizzling, it's ready to go. We're ready to pour it over our salad, shredded salad that we put together with cauliflower, broccoli, tomatoes, red pepper. Then we give more toss to this thing. Thoroughly mix it. I'll nicely flatten it out. Flip it over, and there we have it. Mami Salad.